Scott Schiller with Team G503 and G503 TV. Got a short little video for you here. It's about a very important part. A lot of times on these old Jeeps, this part is missing, and it goes right down through the civilian Jeeps. It's kind of one of those things where, do I really need it? Well, the answer is yes, you do. I'm talking about the master cylinder heat shield. It attaches to the Jeep with 2 bolts, but its purpose is very important because what it does is it keeps the heat that's created from the exhaust pipe from warming up and heating the brake fluid in the master cylinder, which is going to cause the brake fluid to expand. And it's going to cause your brakes to hang up or maybe even fail. So it is a very important piece. Like I say, a lot of times on these vehicles they're missing. That's not supposed to be there. It is. And then I got some other guys who are probably out there watching these videos who say, Scott, do we really need a video about this? The answer is yes. Yes, you do. I get asked all the time, you know, hey, where does this part go? Where does this part go? And it actually is very confusing. And myself, when I was doing the research for this particular video, I Googled it and checked the videos, and I saw the part a couple times, but never exactly where it went on the Jeep. So hopefully this is going to help a bunch of y'all out. It attaches to 2 points on the vehicle that kind of are all tied together in the end. If you've been following the series, you've been following the build we've been doing in 1943 Willys MB, this is all going to tie together in the end with the brake pedals and everything else that goes on right underneath your feet there in the front seat. So I'll show you where this goes. I'm going to show you from 2 different perspectives kind of as the project has gone along, because you'll get a really good view of exactly where that goes. And then installed, I'll show you at the end how everything kind of tied together in the end. Thanks guys for watching, and thank you for all the subscriptions. This is awesome how this has been going on. I haven't been in the videos in a while, kind of just my hands and in my mouth. But you know, like I say, it's fun to do this, and I'm having a great time with it. Thank you, Ron Fitzpatrick and Ron Fitzpatrick Jeep Parts. Let's watch the video. The master cylinder heat shield is part number A647. We'll take the short bracket up front here and simply install it on the bottom bolt of the steering box. Then we'll install the lock washer and the nut and snug them up by hand. The rear bracket, or the longer bracket, goes over the top of the tie bar that attaches to the brake cylinder and goes back to the pedal shaft on the pedals. It is attached with a single short bolt on the inside. Simply thread the bolt in with the lock washer and tighten it up with a ratchet and a socket. In the first part of this video you saw, there was no master cylinder installed at the time. While I'm tightening this down, I can explain that to you a little bit. All these pieces are tied together in the end. The bolt I'm pointing to here actually is holding on the steering box, and this bolt is also holding on the tie bar that connects to the pedal shaft that holds on the pedals towards the back side of the assembly. The system is actually ingenious because it uses a very few fasteners to hold very many components together. The underneath side here, we've got the exhaust pipe, and there's the underneath side of the master cylinder heat shield. You can see how close the exhaust pipe is to the master cylinder and why this part would be necessary. In future videos of the assembly of the 1943, you'll see this part again. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to Team G503 on YouTube.